It's been nearly 3 years since Patrick Lyoya was shot and killed during an interaction with former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur. At the end of this month, the criminal trial is set to begin. I've been covering this story since I first woke up the morning of April 4th, 2022. We'll remind you that initial traffic stop that ended with Lyoya being shot in the back of the head as he struggled to gain control of Officer Schur's taser. The civil attorney representing the Lyoya family, attorney Ben Johnson, tells me this story is far from over.
In front of Kent County Court on Tuesday.
Sad that it's been 3 years, but we're now on the verge of starting the criminal trial.
Attorney Ben Johnson making sure his client's family is represented.
It's been a very, very long road, and we're here to acknowledge the family and all that they've been through and continue to go through every single day.
Former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur is facing charges both criminally and civilly. Criminally, he's charged with second-degree murder.
In the criminal trial, the burden of proof is on Mr. Becker, the prosecution. He has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Schur was not really reasonably in imminent fear for his life at the time he pulled the trigger.
Johnson explaining the difference between the criminal case against Schur and his civil one, saying it will likely be years before there's a resolution civilly.
In civil cases, it's a lower burden of proof. It's called beyond the preponderance of the evidence. So it's like basically 51% or more. That's what I have to prove. And that would hold the officer responsible, and hopefully the city of Grand Rapids responsible for failure to properly monitor, supervise, and train the officer appropriately.
But saying his case matters and his eyes will be on the criminal trial.
The criminal case often never even exists. So in my 30-some years of experience in these cases, only about 1%, if even that, end up in charges. So it's significant that we have criminal charges here.
The criminal trial is set to begin April 28th. I did call Christopher Schur's representation for the civil lawsuit and did leave a message with them. Haven't heard back just yet. Reporting in studio, Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.